بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let's learn letter E words. See, say, and sign it. Let's learn about English alphabet. Today we learn about E. E is the fifth letter. This is big E. And this is little e. E is for ear. E, ear. E, ear. E is for egg. E, egg. E, egg. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. E is for engine. E, engine. E, engine. E is for eye. E, eye. E, eye. E is for elbow. E, elbow. E, elbow. E is for eel. E, eel. E, eel. E is for eggplant. E, eggplant. E, eggplant. E is for eraser. E, eraser. E, eraser. E is for eagle. E, eagle. E, eagle. E is for earth. E, earth. E, earth. E is for envelope. E, envelope. E, envelope. E is for 8. E, 8. E, 8. E is for 11. E, 11. E, 11. E is for 80. E, 80. E, 80. E is for 18. E 18. E 18. E is for eating. E eating. E eating. E is for empty. E empty. E empty. E is for exercise. E exercise. E exercise. E is for elevator. E elevator. E elevator. E is for evening. E evening. E evening. E is for engineer. E engineer. E engineer. E is for emperor. E emperor. E emperor. E is for English. E English. E English. E is for elk. E elk. E elk. E is for excited. E excited. E excited. E is for evil. E evil. E evil. E is for earrings. E earrings. E earrings. E is for eyeglasses. E eyeglasses. E eyeglasses. E is for earthworm. E earthworm. E earthworm. E is for energy. E energy. E energy. E is for eyelashes. E eyelashes. E eyelashes. E is for engagement. E engagement. E engagement. E is for earphones. E earphones. E earphones. E is for emergency room. E emergency room. E emergency room. E is for exclamation mark. E exclamation mark. E exclamation mark. E is for emu. E emu. E emu. E is for email. E email. E email. E is for eyelid. E eyelid. E eyelid. E is for excuse. E excuse. E excuse. E is for error. E error. E error. E is for enter. E enter. E enter. E is for evidence. E evidence. E evidence. E is for eyebrow. E eyebrow. E eyebrow. E is for east. E east. E east. E is for excavator. E excavator. E excavator. E is for echidna. E echidna. E echidna. E is for earmuffs. E, earmuffs. E, earmuffs. E is for emoji. E, emoji. E, emoji. E is for experiment. E, experiment. E, experiment. E is for exam. E, exam. E, exam. E is for edge. E, edge. E, edge. E is for Eve. E, Eve. E, Eve. E is for earwig. E, earwig. E, earwig. E is for egret. E, egret. E, egret. E is for elder. E, elder. E, elder. E is for elastic. E, elastic. E, elastic. E is for eclair. E, eclair. E, eclair. E is for equal. E, equal. E, equal. E is for escalator. E, escalator. E, escalator. E is for event. E, event. E, event. E is for electricity. E, electricity. E, electricity.